Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free WooCommerce Product Add-ons plugin. Using this plugin, you can create add-ons for each product or each product category. Let me show you an example of product add-on that I have created using this free plugin. Here I have a product of shirt and I have created some sample add-ons for this product. Let's consider that I want to print some title on the shirt. Then I can ask them to enter the headline or the title for the printing, and I'm going to charge them $5 extra for the printing on the shirt. This is the title, so customer will be able to enter the title here and the $5 will be added to the product. Then I have some other product options where customer will be able to use the check boxes. I want to sell gift wrap, then gift card and custom message on the shirt. So if I check these options, you will see the pricing will be added for each option. Let's say I want to add an option where customer will be able to send an image for the printing. Then they can select the yes option here and the file upload option will be available. What I have done, I have asked them a question. Do you want to print an image on the shirt? If the answer is no, then it will not show any file upload option. If the answer is yes, it will add an option to upload the file and you will also see the pricing for the printing of image. This is a kind of conditional logic that I have used in the product add-ons. Then you can also add additional products as upsell. So I can sell a product here. Original price is $25 and if you buy this product along with this product as an product add-ons, you will get $5 extra discount. So I can add that and you will see the total price here. This is for the add-ons, and here I can add the product, actual product, select the variation of the product and that will get added to the total pricing. So the name of the plugin is YITH WooCommerce Product Add-ons and extra option. This is the plugin. This is the premium version of the plugin and it will cost you $119.99. This plugin also has the free version. So we are going to install the free version of this plugin and later I'm going to install the premium version of the plugin and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the premium plugin. So we will create add-ons using the free plugin as well as using the premium plugin. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you another WooCommerce Product Add-ons plugin that is also a premium plugin and it is available on the WooCommerce official website. This is the plugin Product Add-ons and the pricing of this plugin is around $60. Now you can compare both these plugins and then decide which plugin will be better option for your WooCommerce store. So there is a difference between the pricing. However, there are additional features in the YITH WooCommerce Product Add-ons. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to see all the features available for this plugin, and I'll give you the link to this video also. You can watch this video and see what are the features in the WooCommerce Product Add-ons plugin. So let's see how we can install and use the YITH WooCommerce Product Add-ons plugin on a WooCommerce website.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and we are using WooCommerce on this website. Now we are going to install a free WooCommerce Product Add-ons plugin. So let's go to plugins and click on Add New. And here search for WooCommerce Product Add-on. So this is the plugin YITH WooCommerce Product Add-ons. We are going to install this free plugin. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate. So the plugin is installed and in the left hand panel you will see the option YITH Product Add-ons. Click on it. Now here you can create different blocks for each product add-on. So you can select product or you can select product category for each add-on. So if you create one add-on, it will be use that add-on for the entire category of products, or you can use it for single product also. In the previous video, when we used this plugin WooCommerce Product Add-ons, we were able to create add-on for each particular product. So we were able to go to product page and from there we were able to add new product add-on for each product. In case of YITH Product Add-on plugin, you cannot go to each product and you cannot create add-on for each product. You can create product add-on here on YITH dashboard and you can assign a product or product category for that add-on. So let's start with add a block. So we will create one block. Let me open some products. This is a dummy WooCommerce website and we have some dummy products on this website. So we will use this product, men's shirt, and we will create some add-ons for this product. Let's create a name for this add-on. So I'm going to name it as shirt add-ons. So this will be used for the shirt category. Block priority label will be 1. All products, you can select all products, or you can select specific product or product category. So we will select a category here and the category will be shirts. So this add-on will be applied to the entire shirts category. If you want to select a specific product, you can select the product from here. Now here you will see add options. So this will give you an option to create add-ons. For the free plugin, we have 4 different options: checkbox, radio, input, and select. And all the other options are only for the premium plugin. So let's start with the input text and name it as headline. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an add-on for this particular shirt, in which we are going to ask them to add their own title that we will print on the shirt. So this is just an example. So let's say I want to name it as headline. So this will be the description. Label will be headline, and again description. Enter the title for the printing on the shirt. So we are going to ask them to add some title that you want to print on the shirt. You can also enable image where they can upload the image. Now here you will see different options. Price doesn't change, set option as free, but I want to add some pricing for this additional service that I'm going to provide. So I'm going to select this option, product price increases, set option price. So I'm going to add $5 for this service. If you make it required, then they will have to pay this $5 and they will have to send the title for the shirt printing. So I'm not going to use it as required. You can also limit the characters. It will be like minimum 5 and maximum 20. So maximum character length will be 20. So this is the add-on that we have created. Click save and click save again. So this add-on will be applied to all shirts category. This is the product from the shirts category. Let's refresh it and you will see the headline that we have added here. Enter the title for printing the shirt. This is the headline and the price will be $5. So this is the product price and this is the order total. If I add a name here, you will see the option is added here. So this is going to cost $5 extra. All right, so this is headline. So I'm going to change that one. Let's go to options here, click on edit, and I'm just going to delete that one. Now here you will see different options also. Options, configuration, single or multiple select, conditional logic. If you want to add conditional logic, you can also add conditional logic. We will do that later. Let's click save. Let's add one more option here. Click add option. And this time select checkboxes. And this is the first option. So I'm going to add a service of gift wrap. And price will be increased by, let's say, $2. This is the first checkbox. Add another checkbox that will be gift card, and the price will be increased by, let's say, $3. So these are the two options. Let's add one more that will be custom message. So customer will be able to add some custom message. Price will be increased by $3. So this is just an example. Whatever checkboxes you want to add, you can add checkboxes. Options, I'm going to let them select a multiple options. Click save. Click save again. Let's refresh it. And here you will see the option. This is the price of the shirt. We have the title here and we have gift wrap, gift card, and customer. These are the product add-ons. If I check it, you will see the price will be added here and I can select multiple options. So this is how it is going to increase the price. Now I can select the variable product and that will also be added here. So this is how it works. Now let's go back, click add options again. So similarly, we can add a radio button and select button. So these are the two additional fields for the free plugin. I do have the premium version of this plugin, so I'm going to install the premium plugin now. So let's go to plugins, click on add new, click on upload plugin. I have it downloaded, so I'm going to upload the plugin and click on install now. Click on activate plugin. All right, so the plugin is activated. In the left hand panel, go to YITH product add-ons. This is the add-on that we have created. Click edit. These are the two options. Let's click on add option. And now you can see that all the fields are available. So we can use all these fields using the premium plugin. Now here I can add the date function. I can also add the file upload feature, color swatches, text area, number, color picker. So let's try using this file upload. Now I want the customer to send an image file that I can print on the shirt. So that's what we are going to do here. Let's name it as print image and select this option, add image, enable it. And I'm going to increase the price by, let's say, $10. Click save, save it again. Let's go back, refresh it. And here you will see the option is added to print the image. So customer will be able to upload the image file and you can use that image file to print on the shirt. Now let's go back and we will use some conditional logic here. Let's add another option here and select a radio button. I'm going to ask them a question. Do you want to print the image? And the options will be yes or no. So let's select the first option, yes. And when they say yes, I'm not going to make any changes to the price. This is just a question. And the second button will be no. And this will be selected by default. All right, so we have got two buttons here, yes and no, and this is the question. Let's click save. Now this option should be before the file upload. So what we are going to ask them, do you want to print the image? If they say yes, then only file upload option will be shown. If they say no, it is not going to show the file upload option. So let's go to file upload option and go to conditional logic, enable it, show or hide on specific valuation, or here you will see display rule, show only if do you want to print image is yes. If it is set to yes, then only it is going to show this option, show. Click save. Let's see if that works. Let's refresh it. All right, now by default it is set to no. Do you want to print image? It is set to no. If I select yes, it is going to show upload file option. So this is how the conditional logic works. Let's say I want to add another product as upsell, then you can do that also. Let's go back and here click on add options and you will see the option here, add product or the product. Here you can search for the product. Let's see what other products we have. Let's add one of the lotions here. So search for the product lotion. Let's use this one. Use price of the linked product, or you can discount the price. So we are going to decrease the price, let's say by $5. So let's see, the original price of this product is $25, and when you combine it with this product, we are going to offer a discount of $5. Click save, save it, and let's refresh it. Now here you will see the option, the lotion is added here and it shows $5 discount is there. If I select yes for the image, it is going to show the file upload option. So if you are okay with limited options, you can definitely go with the free YITH WooCommerce Product Add-ons plugin. If you want these premium options, then you can go for the Pro plugin. The pricing of the Pro version is $119.99 per year, and the pricing of this product, WooCommerce Product Add-on, is around $60 per year. So you can compare both these plugins and then decide which plugin will be better option for your WooCommerce store. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.